सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कारः,
नमस्कारः सर।
स्वागतम्। नूतने मासे सेप्टेम्बर् मासः सम्प्राप्तः। अस्मिन् सेप्टेम्बर् मासे मन्ये इयं प्रथमा कक्षा अस्मिन् मासे, परन्तु कक्षायाः संख्या भिन्ना वर्तते। मासे अस्मिन् तु प्रथमा कक्षा वर्तते, प्रथमः वर्गः वर्तते। कक्षा संख्या वदतु श्रीनिवास महोदय।
चतुरधिकशततमी कक्षा।
चतुरधिकशततमी, 104th class. This is of Panchatantra. We will be soon completing the 5th story. There are only 6 stories in this Mitra Samprapti. The second tantra, Shadeva Tatra Kathaah Santi Asmin Tantre, Panchami Katha Samaptimishyati, Manye Adhyayaveshyati. So we were reading in the previous class about the argument between the Kaulika, the weaver, and his wife. Why does Kaulika want to go abroad and make money? Why he was not happy? The wife says you can as well earn money staying here in this very place. Why go abroad? Then he gives out his own reasoning, and then he convinces her in such a way that he leaves the place for several years to make money, more money, because he was not getting sufficient money, though he was an expert weaver. Ordinary weavers were well off compared to him. So that is what prompted him, made him to change his mind to go over to the next. Yes, Srinu. Can read?
Yes, sir. तत् मया अवश्यं देशान्तरं गन्तव्यम् इति निश्चित्य वर्धमानपुरं गतः। तत्र च वर्षत्रयं स्थित्वा सुवर्णशतत्रयोपार्जनं कृत्वा भूयः स्वगृहं प्रस्थितः। अथ अर्धपथे गच्छतः तस्य
अथ अर्धपथे
अथ अर्धपथे गच्छतः तस्य कदाचित् अटव्यां पर्यटतः भगवान् रविः अस्तम् उपागतः। May I pause here, sir?
Yeah, 3 sentences. Okay. So in the previous, there were only slokas in the previous page, 359, 358, all poems. Udyamene hi siddhyanti karyani na manorataihi, udyoginam purushasimham upaiti lakshmihi, etc. Etne krute yadina siddhyati ko atra doshaha. Several poems in favor of, putting industry, putting hard work. Hard work alone makes one successful, etc. And then the weaver says here, Kaulika is speaking here, that therefore, Maya Avashyam Deshantaram Gantavyam. He has decided once for all. Maya Avashyam Deshantaram Anyaha Deshaha Gantavyaha Deshantaram. A variety of Karmadharya Samasa which is coming very often in our stories, Srinivas. Gramantaram, Anyaha Gramaha Gramantaram, Deshantaram, Anyo Deshaha Deshantaram. So another country, foreign country, I must go to foreign country. Iti Nischitya, having decided like this, Vardhamanapuram Gataha. He went to a city by name Vardhamana. The name suggests that it was a very growing city, Srinivas. Like a developing city. You can say Vardhamanapuram means a developing city. Like we have smart cities now thought by our Prime Minister. Smart cities are created. So it was a very growing, well developing city. He went there. And where that is located again is not given by the author. Tatra there, Vardhamanapure, cha Varshatrayam Sthitva. In one line he has made, like in our cinema stories, etc. Varshatrayam Sthitva. The Kaulika went to a particular city by name Vardhanama and there stayed there for 3 years. Varshatrayam Sthitva, having stayed there. Suvarna Shata Trayoparjanam Krutva, and then he made Suvarna Shata Traya Shatatrayam iti. Suvarnanam Shatatrayam. Shatatraya uparjanam krutva, having earned 300 gold coins. Oh my God. Suvarna shatatraya uparjanam krutva, bhuyaha again swagruham prastitaha. He started towards his home because he made such a huge money according to him. So he wanted to go back because he spent already 3 years abroad. Atha ardhapati. Ardhapati means marga madhye, madhya marga. On the in the way, gachataha, while he was going, tasya, kaulikasya gachataha, kadachit, atavyam, paryatataha. He happened to come across a forest in the mid of the journey while traveling to his home. Kadachit, atavyam, paryatataha, while he was roaming, Bhagavan Ravihi means Lord Sun God, astam upagataha, he is set. So while he was going through the forest area, the sunset. Now when sunset in those days, you can imagine no electricity, no this thing, no torches perhaps with him, no mobile phone like we have with torch. Tada, then this poor, Acha, you have to read Srinivas.
Yeah. Tada tat asau व्यालभयात् स्थूलतरवटस्कन्धमारुह्य यावत् प्रसुप्तः तावत् निशीथे स्वप्ने द्वौ पुरुषौ रौद्राकारौ परस्परं प्रजल्पन्तौ अशृणोत् तत्र एक आह भोः कर्ता त्वं किं सम्यक् न वेत्सि यत् यदि अस्य यदस्य सोमलिकस्य भोजनाच्छादनाभ्यादिका समृद्धिर्नास्ति तत् किं त्वया अस्य स्वर्णशतत्रयं प्रदत्तम्.
So as he reached the forest, it became night, the sunset. Tada, then asau nama asau kaulika. This weaver, Vyala Bhayat, because of the ferocious animals. Vyala means they are cruel animals. Vyala has several meanings in Sanskrit. Vyala means tiger also.
Yeah.
Vyala also means a snake. So because of these ferocious and cruel animals, Vyala Bhayat. You know, jungle, na, Atavi, it was Atavi. Naturally, there will be so many cruel animals. Vyala Bhayat, due to the fear of these ferocious animals. Sthulatara, Vata. There was nearby, very close to him, very stulatar, very big, stulatar, bigger, Vatataru means banyan tree. Vataskandham aruhya, that he climbed the banyan tree, which was very big. He climbed the branch of a banyan tree, which was very, very huge. Yavat, so as he climbs that, Yavat prasuptaha, and as he climbs and then he falls asleep, because he walked a long distance, prasuptaha, Tavat, in the meantime, Nishite at the midnight, Madhyarat, Ardharatrau. So Nishite at the midnight, Swapne, he had a dream. So in the dream, what did he see? Dvau Purushau, Raudra Akaro. He happened to see two very, Raudra means very ferocious, very, what do you call, Raudra means fearful appearances. Yeah, fearful, very awesome appearances. Dvau Purushau Raudra, very fearful. Akaro, looking like very Parasparam, mutually. Prajalpantau, talking. So two very ferocious people came in his dream and they were talking. Parasparam Prajalpantau Shatrupatyanta. Prajalpantau Ashrunot. He happened to hear, he heard two ferocious fellows in his dream talking to between themselves. Tatra eka aha. There one fellow, one ferocious Raudrakara said, Bhoho kartaha. So these are the, writer says, these are the karta and the karma. One is action, another is the fate. Bhoho karta, so the karma is addressing the karta. Oh Mr. Doer, Tvam kim samyagna vetsi, don't you know properly? Do you not know properly? Don't you know? Yad, that asya somilakasya bhojana achhadanabhyadika samruddhihi nasti. Don't you know about this Somilaka, this weaver, that he hasn't got through the fate more than he hasn't got more money except bhojana achadana for food and that clothing, except sufficient for the food and clothing, bhojana achadana adhika samruddhi, prosperity na asti. He has no prosperity left to him, but how come you have given him 300 gold coins? He is asking. Now we see, don't you know? Yad asya somilakasya bhojanaya tat kim, then why tvaya, by you, asya somilakasya suvarna shatatrayam dattam pradattam. So why did you give him 300 gold coins? Don't you know he doesn't deserve more than the food and clothing? He is questioning now. Now who is this fellow questioning? The one, another ferocious fellow questioning the Raudrakara to one. So Karta is question here. Yeah.
सः भोः कर्मन् मया अवश्यं दातव्यं व्यवसायिनां तत्र च तस्य परिणतिः वदायत्ता इति अथ यावत् असौ कौलिकः प्रबुद्धः सुवर्णग्रन्थिम् अवलोकयति तावद् रिक्तं पश्यति ततः साक्षेपं चिन्तयामास.
So when this person questioned this karta, the doer, the karma, the deed answered him. Saha bhoho karman, oh fate, karma means oh fate, what the deed. Maya avashyam datavyam vyavasayinam. Maya means kartra, I am the doer. So the doer favors the doer, another doer here.
Yeah.
See, karta is a doer. And in the context of the story, Somilika is also a doer, a karta. Because he has worked hard, I have given him 300. That is what he says. O karman, O fate, O deed, maya, by me, avashyam datavyam. I must give compulsorily. Vyavasayinam, to the people who are very hardworking.
Yeah.
I must give, obey, I mean, I must confer the result to the industrious people. Tatra chatasya parinatihi tvaya ayata. But there I have to give him. I have given him 300 gold coins. But tasya parinatihi, the result of it, the final consequence of this, parinatihi visarga sandhi, tvad ayata, tvad adhina. Tvad ayata means it is dependent on you. Tvayi adhina, it is dependent on you. Ayata means dependent, adhina. So the final decision is dependent on you. You are the karma. Atha, then, yavadasau kaulikaha. So when he heard this conversation between these two ferocious people looking, appearing in his dream, one said, why did you give? Another said, I must give, but the result, final thing is in your hand. You are the karma, etc. Yavadasau. So, no, he gets up now. Yavad asau kaulikaha. So no sooner he gets up, Prabhuddha, and becomes awake. Suvarna Granthim Avalokayati. As he gets up and becomes awake and then looks to the Suvarna Granthi. Look at the word Suvarna Sanchi, that bag of 300 gold coins. Avalokayati Pashyati. Tavat, I mean, Riktam Pashyati. But he finds it completely empty. Bag is emptied. Only bag must be there and the golden coins are disappeared. Tataha, then Sakshepam. Sakshepam means with a lot of Atmaninda, cursing himself. Sakshepam, Sanindam, Chintayamasa, he thought like this. He abused himself. Sakshepam means abusing himself.
Yeah. अहो किमेतत् महता कष्टेन उपार्जितं वित्तं हेलया क्वापि गतं तद् व्यर्थश्रमः किञ्चनः कथं स्वपत्न्या मित्राणां च मुखं दर्शयिष्यामि इति निश्चित्य तदेव पत्तनं गतः तत्र च वर्षमात्रेणापि सुवर्णशतपञ्चकम् उपार्ज्य भूयोऽपि स्वस्थानं प्रति प्रस्थितः यावद् अर्धपथे स्थितम् अटवीगतन्तं वटं भूयः समासादयति तावद् अस्य भगवान् भानुरस्तं जगाम.
Now in this paragraph also at the end, Tavadasya Bhagavan Bhanuhu. There, another said, Bhagavan Ravihi used here in the previous
Yeah,
page.
Ravihi Astagatam.
Bhagavan Astamgataha, here Bhagavan Bhanuhu Astangataha. Again night came. So, aho, so he was cursing, Kaulika was cursing himself. Sakshepam Chintayamasa, he cursingly thought like this. Aho, aho is a wonder at his own state of affairs. Kimetat, what is this? Mahata Kastena, with great endeavor, with great effort. Uparjitam, arjitam, uparjitam means earned, vittam dhanam. Helaya kvapigatam. He could not understand this man. Really he worked hard and got so much money. And then he says, I wonder how with so much great mahata kastena uparjitam vittam dhanam. Helaya, very easily. Helaya means very easily. So suddenly, so suddenly, kvapi kutrapi gatam. It has disappeared. Whom to report now in the jungle? How did it happen? The dream came. In the dream, two fellows came. Tad, so, vyarthashramo akinchanaha. Vyarthashrama, all my effort has been futile. Akinchanaha katam swapatnya. Akinchana means becoming a dina, a poor man now. Now I am reduced to the same original position, having lost 300 gold coins. Katham swapatnya, along with my wife, mitranam cha, swapatnya to my wife, mitranam cha to my friends also. Mukham darshayishyami. How shall I show my face to my own wife and friends going over to the village? So he decides not to go back to his village and rather go to the same Vardhamanapuram where he made 300 gold coins. Iti nischitya, deciding like this, tadeva pattanam gataha. Now he is not naming the cities, universe. Tadeva pattanam gataha. Tadeva Vardhamanapuram pattanam gataha. He went again to the same Vardhamanapura. Tatra, there. Cha. Now, earlier he spent 3 years to make 300 gold coins. Now, he put more effort, more skill. Varshamatrena api, with 1 year, within a year only, api, Suvarna Shata Panchakam Uparjya. He had earned Suvarna Shata Panchakam. There, Suvarna Shata Trayam. There. So now he made more money, more gold coins. Suvarna Shata Panchakam Uparjya Arjayitva, having earned 500 gold coins. Bhuyaha api, again Swasthanam Swagruham Prati Prastitah. Again he started to towards his home. Now this time with more enthusiasm because money is more now. 500 coins are there. Yavad Ardhapati, it has happened the same way as he came. Ardhapati, mid of the journey, Ardhapati, Ardhamarga, Marga Madhye, Sthitam Atavim, Atavi Gatam. So when he reached the same way like in the previous time, when he reached the forest in the middle of his journey, Vatam Bhuyaha, again he went to the same Vatavruksha, banyan tree, Bhuyaha, Samasadayati, when he reaches to the Vatavruksha, Samasadayati, Tavad Asya Bhagavan Bhanuhu Astam Jagama. As he reaches the Vatavruksha like in the previous time, then by then the sun has set. Night has dawned. Atha. Yeah.
Atha Suvarna Nasha Bhayat Sushrantopi na Vishramyati. Kevalam Kutagruhot Kantaha Satvaram Rajati. Atrantara
Atrantare, you read it. Re is not.
Yeah. Atrantare dvau purushau tadrushau društideshe samagacchantau jalpantau cha ashrunot.
Okay, you can pause
Tatra
there.
ekah praha bhoh kartah kim tvaya etasya suvarnashatapanchakam pradattam tat kim tvam na vedsi yad bhojanachanadabhyadikamasya kinchit nasti.
So this time when he halted, night, it became night, sunset and night entered. Atha then, Suvarna Nasha Bhayat. Now this time he is careful now. Writer is very beautifully narrating the story. This time he lost money earlier, now he knows there is a chance of losing the money. Suvarna Nasha Bhayat. Suvarna, Suvarnasya Nasha Bhayat. Sushrantaha api. Though he was very tired, he was dog tired, as we say, dog tired. Sushrantaha, not Vishrantaha. Sushrantaha. Though he was greatly tired, na Vishramyati, he does not take any rest. Because money is more now in his bag. Na Vishramyati, he doesn't take rest. Kevalam, his mind was set only, Kevalam only, Kruta Gruha Utkantaha. He was very anxious to go home and tell, anybody who earns a lot of money, he wants to return home and, with great delight wants to see his near and dear. So this person was also doing Kruta Gruha Utkanta. Utkanta means anxiety. He was very anxious to go home. Satvaram Vrajati, and he was walking very fast. Atra Antara, in the meantime, now again the fateful time has come. Dvau Purushau, two people. Tadrushau means like that. He is not now giving the akara. Raudrakaro. Tadrushau means Tadrushau, Raudrakaro we have to supply. Like that, ferocious two fellows. Drushti Deshe, Drushti Patam. Drushti Deshe means Drushti Patam. Samagachanto. Again they came. This time he is not sleeping, he is walking, he is bent upon going, even in the dead of the night. But two fellows came, were confronted.
What is Drushti Deshe?
Drushti Desham, Drushti Patam. They came into his sight.
Ah.
Drushti Deshe is a variety of saying. Drushti Patam Samagachantu. Coming into his vision.
Okay.
Coming into the region of his
He happened
eyes.
to see. He happened to see.
That is, he happened to see. So, as he was proceeding, Satvaram Rajati was walking fast. So, two Tadrushau, like that same previous, Dvau Purushau, Drushti Desham means Drushti Patam Samagachantu, coming into his vision, coming, so confronting him. Jalpantau Ucha Ashrunot. He happened to see them, and also they were talking. He heard them talking again. Jalpantau Bhashamano Vadantau Cha Ashrunot. He heard them also speaking. Tatra Ekaha Praha. Again, like in the previous way. Tatra, there, one fellow said, Voho Kartaha. Again, O doer. Kim Tvaya Etasya Suvarna Shataka Panchakam Pradattam. Same question, like in the previous. Why did you give him 500 gold coins? Tat Kim Tomna Vesi, don't you know? Yad that Bhojana Achadana Abhyadikam Asya Kinchit Na Asti. He has no sanction more than Bhojana and Achadana, clothing, food and clothing, except the money sufficient for food and clothing, he doesn't deserve more than that. Don't you know that? Asked the fellow. Then, next. Saha.
Saha Bhoha Karman Maya Avashyam Deyam Vyavasayinam Tasya Parinamaha Tvadayattaha Tatkim Mam Upalabhyas
Upalambhayasi.
Tat Shrutva Somanikah Yavat Granthim Avalokayati Tavat Suvarnam Nasti Tataha Param Dukkhamapannaha.
See, for the second time also this man is cheated by fate. Saha, the second person said, Bhoho Karman, look here, Mr. Deed, Mr. Fate, Maya Avashyam Deyam Vyavasayinam. Same answer is giving. I must give to the hardworking people. Tasya Parinama, but the result of this, the consequence of this, Tvaya Yattaha, Tvai Adhinaha. But you are the ultimate decider, it is dependent on you. Tat Kim Mam Upalambayasi. Tat Kim Mam Nindasi. Why are you blaming me? I only give whatever they work, according to their work, I give them the result, but finally, you the fate who decides. Tat Kim. So, why Mam Kartaram upalambayasi nindasi. Why are you blaming me? Tat shrutva, listening to it, Somilakaha, the Somilakaha, Yavad Granthim Avaloya. The moment he heard this conversation, he was in jitters. He immediately looked to his bag. Yavad Granthim Avalokayati. As he sees, the moment he heard, he looked at his bag, Granthim Avalokayati Pashyati Tavat. In the meantime, Suvarnam Nasti. The money, the gold is gone again. See, 3 years worked, 300 gold coins. 1 year he worked, day and night must have worked, and 500 gold coins he made. He was so going happily, but even that is denied. Tataha param, after that, dukkam apannaha, he became very, very sad.
यचिन्तयत् अहो किं मम धनरहितस्य जीवितेन तदत्र वटवृक्षे
Atmanam.
आत्मानम्
Udbandhya.
आत्मानम् उद्बध्य प्राणान् त्यजामि. So
he decided here now. He became very, very sad. What is the line? Tataha param. Thereafter, dukkamapanna. He was taken over by sorrow. Yachintayat. He thought like this. Oh, come on. Kim mama dhanarahitasya jivitena. Just like Kaulika Vishada Yoga, this is. Rajyena kim Govinda. What is that? Kinno bhogaihi Govinda kim Rajyena, etc. Kim mama dhanarahitasya jivitena. What is the use of me living without money? Dhanarahitasya mama dhanarahitasya jivitena kim prayojanam. What is kim means kim prayojanam? What is the use of my living without money? Tad, so, atra, Vatabrukshe, the same Vatabruksha where he halted. Atra Vatabrukshe, on that banyan tree, Atmanam, myself, Ud Bandhya means Urdhvam Badva. Ud Bandhya means tying myself up. Now, suicide. Atmanam Udbadhya, tying up myself on this very Vatabruksha, Pranan Tyajami, I will give up my life. I will die. Better I die than again go and work again. The same thing will repeat. I cannot go back home, nor I can go to Vardhamanapura to make more money again. Because if I go back again, my fate is that I will be losing money on the way. If I go back home, I cannot show my face to my wife who discouraged me from leaving the home. In a fix, now this is where a very beautiful situation is created, where man is cornered to commit suicide. Neither he can go this way nor this way. Then what is the way left for such people? Such people only think of the one way, that is going up only. When the two roads are blocked, there is only one road open, that is going up. So that is, poor fellow decided to end up his life. Yeah, next.
एवं निश्चित्य दर्भमयीं रज्जुं विधाय स्वकण्ठे पाशं नियोज्य शाखायाम् आत्मानं निबध्य यावत् प्रक्षिपति तावद् एकः पुमान् आकाशस्थः एव इदम् आह भोः सोमिलक मा एवं साहसं कुरु अहं ते वित्तापहारकः न ते भोजनाच्छादनाभ्यादिकां मराटिकामपि सहे तद् गच्छ स्वगृहं प्रति.
Now, this paragraph tells us that when he was wanting to give up his life, hanging himself to the Vatavruksha, banyan tree, evam nischitya, having decided like this, darbhamayim rajjum, he made a rope of, he was in jungle now, Atavi. We are given to understand that he was in the jungle, in the mid path, and then he collected some darbas, some grass, and darbhamayim rajju. Rajju is Strilinga Shabda, Srinivas.
Yeah.
That is why darbhamayim rajjum vidaya. He made a rope of grass. Swakante pasham niyojya, and it became a pasha rope. Swakante, put it on his kanta, on his neck. Pasham niyojya, having put it on his neck. Shakayam, Atma, he was trying to hang on the branch. Shakayam, Atmanam himself, Nibadhya, he also bound himself to the Shaka. Yavat Prakshipati, as he is about to
Jump.
jump or let loose himself. Tavad, in the meantime, Ekaha, Puman, Ekaha Purushaha, Puman Nama Purushaha, Akashastha, standing in the sky. Now this time these two fellows did not come. Raudrakaro, Ekaha Puman, Akashastha, Akashe Tishtati iti Akasha. Akashastha eva, standing in the sky only. Akashastha eva, being stationed in the sky itself. Idam aha, he said this like this. Something like an angel coming up and speaking. Like sometimes Akashavani comes, like that. So it's a kind of Akashavani. Bhoho, bhoho, somilaka. Oh, somilaka, somilaka. Ma evam sahasam kuru. Don't adventure like this. Ma evam sahasam kuru. Don't do adventure like this. Don't take your life. Aham te, to you. I am to you, your. Te means tava. Aham te means I am your. Tava. Vitta apaharaka. I am the stealer of your money. Nobody is there. I am the stealer of your money. Nate bhojana achadana abhyadikam varatikam abhisahi. I cannot tolerate even a coin more than food sufficient for you for food and clothing. Bhojana achadana abhyadikam, more than your food and clothing. Varatikam nanemapi sahi. I don't tolerate. I cannot tolerate more money than you require for these two things. Tad so gacha swagruham prati. Please go back home. You are not supposed to give up your life like this, he said.
Anyacha bhavadiya sahasena aham tushtaha yatha me nasyad vyartham darshanam tat prarthyatam abhishtaha varaha kaschit.
But he said kind of can't say daya has come to him. Anyacha, moreover, one more thing. Bhavadiya sahasena aham tushtaha. Tvadiya sahasena aham tushtaha. I am very happy with your sahasa, means your adventurous spirit, that you are even prepared to die for, die for keeping up the, what do you call, spirit. Otherwise, your atma abhimana. Bhavadiya sahasena, your sahasena aham tushtaha santushtaha. I am very happy with your adventure, that you want to take your even life also for money. Yatha mena syad vyartam darshanam. As my darshana, as you have seen me, my darshana means my visit you can say. As my visit is as my visit should not go waste. Since I appear to you, yatha me mama na syad na bhavet vyartam darshanam. As my darshana, as my appearance may not go waste, tat so prarthyatam, please ask. Please, you may ask. Abhishtaha varaha kaha chit kaschit. So you may ask some desired boon, your desirable boon. Whatever you would like to ask, ask for it. Because I appear rarely to people, I have appeared to you, so that will not go waste, he said.
Somilaka aha yadi evam tat taddehi me prabhutam dhanam saha bhoho किं करिष्यसि भोगरहितेन धनेन यतः तव भोजनाच्छादनाभ्यादिका प्राप्तिरपि नास्ति.
So look at the answer of when the Akashastha man said, you ask, I am pleased, well, whatever desire. He asked, he should have given. He only said, you ask, whatever you want. And immediately Somilaka jumped to ask the same thing. Somilaka said, Yadi evam, if so, tad dehi, then give. Dehi me, give to me, prabhutam dhanam, he said. You give me a lot of money. You just now said, na? Abhishtaha varaha pratyatam. I am asking you, prabhutam dhanam dehi me. Then the fellow says, Raha bhoho, look here, my friend, kim karishyasi, what will you do? Bhoga rahitena dhanena. Your wealth, which you earned 2 times, is not sanctioned bhoga for you. Bhoga rahitena dhanena. It is a dhana, no doubt, but without giving you enjoyment. You are not entitled for enjoyment as such. You are only entitled to be happy with good food and clothing, that's all. You can't go to a picture to have entertainment. You can't buy any luxury items like Srinivas. That is what it means, na? Bhoga rahitena dhanena. Kim karishyasi. What, even if I give you money, prabhutam dhanam, if I give you lot of money, all your money, 500 coins plus 300 previous coins, 800 gold coins, in your fate it is not there to enjoy. That is why it says, Bhoga rahitena dhanena kim karishyasi. What will you do with money which you are not supposed to, you are not destined to enjoy? Yataha, because tava bhojana achadana abhyadika praptihi api nasti, because there is no sanction. There is no sanction by the fate to you. However you earn, whatever money you earn, you will be left with only money sufficient for bhojana and achadana. So what will you do with, if I give you the vara? Is counter questioning it. Yeah.
किं तया क्रियते लक्ष्म्या यावधूरिव केवला ज्ञानवेश्येव सामान्या पथिकैरुपभुञ्ज्यते रूपभुज्यते.
Now this poem came earlier, remember?
Uh,
Some time back it came, this poem. Similar poem came.
Similar, not the same.
Not the same, but similar idea. Veshyeva samanya, etc.
Yeah.
So the angel, shall we call angel, Akashastha man, he says, Kim taya kriyate lakshmiya. What is done by that wealth? Lakshmi means wealth here. Kim taya lakshmiya. Kim tena dhanena kriyate. What is done with that? What advantage, what use is that money? Of what use is that money? Ya Lakshmi means which wealth. Vadhuriva kevala, which is just like ya kevala vadhuhu iva, which is like a bride married to one person. That is what he says. Bride means bridegroom should be there, na? Srinivas.
Yeah.
Now who is bride here? In
Lakshmi.
the story? No. The money earned by Somilaka. Somilaka's wealth is bride. Okay?
Yeah.
Vadhu. Lakshmi is Vadhu here.
Yes.
Kim taya lakshmiya kriyate, what is done with that money, which is just like a bride, kevala vadhuriva astiya, yana veshyeva samanya. So, very crude way of putting, I said the same word when I told that. Here Lakshmi is compared with a Veshya, a common woman, Veshya, yana, Lakshmi, na veshyeva samanya, is not like the samanya, common woman, like a Veshya. Like a Veshya is enjoyed by many people, whereas Vadhu is not enjoyed by many people. The contrasting two words are there. Vadhu is confined to Vara, married woman to a married person, whereas Veshya is married to many people. In a way, married to many people means she is available to many people. So money is compared with here, Lakshmi, what is the use of that Vadhu like Lakshmi, Vadhu like money, which is enjoyed by only one person, whereas Veshya like Lakshmi can be enjoyed when money like Veshya can be enjoyed by many people. If you avoid this kind of comparison, Srinivas, the idea is wealth, if it is there, should be equitably distributed among many people. It should be enjoyed by many people. wealth should not be concentrated in one person. Understand? Wealth should not be concentrated to one person, rather it should be equally distributed by all and all should enjoy. That is the idea actually. But the way it is put is archaic, we can say, old. Yeah, Somilaka. Now Somilaka speaks.
मिलिकाः यदि अपि तस्य धनस्य भोगः नास्ति तथापि तद् भवतु.
See, this one dialogue tells us Somilaka is so disappointed, upset, and obsessed with the idea of his hard work and hard earned money. See, if you carefully read this sentence, Somilaka, yadyapi, even then, tasya dhanasya bhogo nasti, even though that money has no, that wealth has no enjoyment, I have no enjoyment with my money, tathapi still, tad bhavatu, let it be there. Please give me my money. That is the pleading here. Tathapi still, tad bhavatu, let it be there. You say, I cannot enjoy with my money, but at least if it is there, I will look at it and be happy. My hard-earned money, that is uktam cha, yeah.
कृपणोऽप्यकुलो
Akulino.
कृपणोऽप्यकुलीनोऽपि तब्दानाश्रितमानसैः सेव्यते स नरो लोकैः यस्य स्याद् वित्तसञ्चयः.
Then Somilaka says here in his argument to have money, Krupanaha api akulino api, even a Krupanaha, miser. Krupanaha is a miser. Akulinaha api. Who is a Akulinaha? A man not belonging to a good family. A man of lower birth, low family. Akulina. Kulina means well-born. Akulina means one who is not a well-born, noble-born. Even though one is a miser, even though one is not born in a noble family, tat danashritamanasahi. Now there is a different reading, Srinivas. I am not very comfortable with this reading. Tad danashritamanasahi. Okay. Sajjanair varjita sada. In the place of this, tad danashritamanasahi. Sajjanaihi varjita sada. That means three things are going with one person. For Kupanaha, a miser, api, akulinaha api, though not born in a good family, noble family, then sajjanair varjitaha sada, even one who is always without, who is bereft of the company of the good people. Sajjanaihi varjita sada, a man who is without the company of sajjanas. But here it says taddana ashrita manasai. Now I felt this reading is more better, so I have taken this. So sajjanair varjita sada, one who is always left with bad company. Sevyate sa naro lokaihi yasya syad vitta samshayaha. This is beautiful. If you replace that second pada, sajjanaihi varjita sada. Though a man is miser, though a man may be miser, a man may be not born in a good family, a man may be in wrong company. Third one, sanaraha, that person, lokaihi sevyate, he will be worshipped by the people in society. The idea is money makes a miser money. If a miser may not spend it, but if he has a lot of money, he will be respected. Akulina, a man not born in a good family, will be respected, like what Bhartrhari says. That poem is there, na? Vittam becomes every darshaniyaha, sacha vakta, etc. Sacha darshaniyaha, saeva panditaha, sarve gunaha kanchanamastrayante. Sarve gunaha kanchanamastrayante, like that. So here, sajjanaihi varjitaha, though he is not in company of good people, but that person, sevyate naraha, lokaihi janaihi, sa naraha, tadrusha naraha, sevyate. Kidrusha naraha sevyate, what type of man is served? Yasya, the one who has syat vitta sanchaya, one who has lot of wealth accumulated. So please oh God or oh angel, you are all talking of these things. I have no sanction of all these things. Please give my money back. He said. That should be underscored here.
Yeah.
Sevyate sanaraha lokai yasya syat vitta sanchaya dhana sanchaya dhana sampada. That, right.
तथा च
Moreover, he says,
शिथिलौ च सुवृद्धौ च पततः पततो न वा निरीक्षितौ मया भद्रे दशवर्षाणि पञ्च च
now this is Purushaha.
पुरुषाः किमेतत् सो ब्रवीत्.
Now Somilaka is narrating a story. He is not leaving the angel who appeared from the sky. He is not leaving because there is one very good thing that a man who earns with a lot of hard work, Srinivas, if he is to lose money so easily, that is the writer showing. Writer wants to show that Somilaka earned 4 years he earned hard. And then if the fate says, no, you have no sanction, what does this mean? Then it says, Sitilau. Now this is a poem, introducing the last story of this Mitra Samprapti Srinivas. Sitilau cha suvruddhau. Sitilau means loose. Very crude example is coming here. Suvruddhau, well grown. Patataha patato nava. Now, in the context, there was we are going to see a jackal, I think, jackal couple. A jackal couple, the female jackal tells her husband, looking at the, Vrishaba, the testicles of a bull, I think, testicle of a bull, hanging very loose. So the jackal's wife wants to eat that. And jackal's wife thinks that they are hanging so loose, they may fall. So, when the jackal wants to go for a hunt somewhere, the wife says, no, don't leave all this hunting. Search for the food. You look at that animal whose testicles are hanging so loose, they will drop sometime. You get me that food. That is the end. Shitilau cha suvruddhau cha. Patataha patato nava. Patataha patato nava patishataha nava na patishyataha. That you have to take. Whether they will fall, will they fall or will they not fall? Now, when a person looks at such a scene, it looks like as if they are going to fall, but Sitilo, because they are very loose, hanging. Very moving testicles, loose and suvruddhau, well grown, hanging. Nirikshitau maya badre. So he is saying, are seen by me, O gentle lady, they are seen. Now, in the story, when we are going to see that, the male had to go obey the male jackal has to obey the word of his wife, and he goes in search of this in the hope of seeing the fall of these testicles for 15 years. And after 15 years also the testicles don't fall. Then he says that Nirikshito maya badri, oh my good lady, my wife, you asked me to go after this bull. I have done the nirikshana. I have waited for how long he is giving now. Dasha varshani panchacha. I have waited for Dasha varshani panchacha. Dasha and pancha. How many? Panchadasha. 15 years I have been after this bull and they are not falling. What kind of advice you have given me? Stupid idea. Purushaha, that is Deva Purushaha, Kimetat. What is this? Saha Abravi Somilaka said. The last story begins here. Can we take on?
Yeah. Vrishaba, Vrishananusari, Shrugala Katha.
So Vrishaba, bull, Vrishana means testicles. Anusari following Shrugala Katha, the jackal which is following. So the jackal already, the story is like what do you call in cinema we show trailer. Trailer sloka, trailer poem is here. This Shrugala was after this Vrishabha, thinking that the Vrishana would fall for 15 years.
कस्मिंश्चित् अधिष्ठाने तीक्ष्णविषाणो नाम महावृषभः प्रतिवसति स्म स च मदातिरेकात् परित्यक्तनिजयूथः शृङ्गाभ्यां नदीतटानि विदारयन् स्वेच्छया मरकतसदृशानि शष्पाणि भक्षयन् अरण्यचरो बभूव.
So the last iyam katha varta antima katha asya asmin mitra samprapti nama tantre dvitiya tantre iyameva antima katha vartati shashti katha. Kasminchid adhisthane, as usual in some place, Tikshna Vishano Nama. Tikshna Vishano Nama, literally meaning sharp Visha horn, horns. Tikshna sharp Vishana means this horns. So a bull was there, Mahavrishabha, a great bull was there by name Tikshna Vishana, sharp, what do you call horned. Mahavrishabha Prativasati Sma, lived there. Sacha, and that Mada Atirekat, Madadhikyat, Mada Atirekat. Imagine if it is a Mahavrishabha, then there will be a lot of Mada. Mada Atirekat, Mada Adhikyat, due to its, what do you call, arrogance, pride, Mada. Mada Atirekat, Parityakta Nijayutaha. It left its own group, Nijayutaha group of animals, its own, because now this one word Srinivas tells us here, when a man also becomes very proud, very intoxicated, proud by power, proud because of power, money, or proud because of position, what happens is Tyakta Nijayutaha, he will be leaving his circle, his own circle. He will be out of his circle. Understand?
Yeah.
Mada Atirekat, this is applicable because the story is not about animals, now we know. Mada Atirekat, when Mada goes up, when pride shoots up, that person will be no more in the circle, is in his own circle where he used to earlier move. So he became aloof from Nija. He left the Nijayutaha, its own group of animals. Srungabhyam, and further, Srungabhyam with its sharp, Srungabhyam, yeah, horns, Nadi Tatani Vidarayan. He used to go to the river shore. Nadi Tata means river shore, banks of the river. He used to raise the river shores to earth. He will go there, Nadi Tatani Vidarayan means smashing. Swechaya, freely, Swechaya. Amarakata Sadrushani Shashpani Bhakshayan. It used to go and, raise the banks of the river with its horns, and then Swechaya, very freely, Swechaya Marakata Sadrushani. Marakata means emerald. Marakata Sadrushani. Emerald like Sadrushani. Emerald is color is green, na?
Yeah.
Emerald is green. So Marakata Sadrushani, like the green, like the emerald, Shashpani, grass. You have to just imagine river bank, and on the very side there is grass. Now imagine how grass will not be dry grass there, very shining. So when grass is very green, it will be shining. So there is a common general description, Marakata Sadrusha, Shashpani. So the grass was shining like emerald, Bhakshayan, eating that shining, beautiful, fresh, that means fresh grass looking like emerald. Bhakshayan, Khadan, Aranyacharaha Babuva. He roamed in the forest. Who Tikshna Vishano Nama, that sharp pond, big bull. Yeah.
अथ तत्रैव वने प्रलोभकः नाम शृगालः प्रतिवसति स्म स कदाचित् स्वभार्यया सह नदीतीरे सुखोपविष्टस्तिष्ठति अत्रान्तरे स तीक्ष्णवृषाणो जलार्थं तदेव पुलिनम् अवतीर्णः ततः च तस्य लम्बमानौ वृषाणौ अवलोक्य शृगाल अभिहितः हे स्वामिन् पश्य अस्य वृषभस्य मांसपिण्डौ लम्बमानौ यथा स्थितौ तदेतौ क्षणेन प्रहरेण वा प्रतिष्यतः एवं ज्ञात्वा भवता पृष्ठानुयायिना भाव्यम्.
Just a minute, Srinivas. The story is word check. In the beginning, Tikshna Vishano is there, na? Tikshna Vrushano. And again it is Tikshna Vishano.
Yes.
No, I want to compare Tikshna Vishano. Again Tikshna Vishano. His name is like that.
Yeah.
His name is like that. But he has got that. Another time it has changed. Anyway. Shrugalaha. Atha. Then, second paragraph. Then, Tatraiva. Tatraiva Vane. In the same forest. Pralobhakaha Nama Shrugalaha. Greedy. Pralobhaka means loba. Now, this is the name is characteristic of its quality also. Pralobhakaha Nama Shrugala. Jackal by name, greedy, greed. Pralobhaka Prati Vasati Sma. Lived there. Sakadachit, that jackal, someday, one day, Swabharyaya Saha, along with his wife, Nadi Tire, happened to come to that river bank. Sukopavishta Tishtati. Sukhena Upavishtaha Tishtati, was seated very happily. One day, this jackal, accompanied by his wife, stood there on the bank of the river happily. Atrantare, in the meantime, Satikshna Vishano Jalartham, in the meantime, that Tikshna Vishana, that big bull, Mahavrushava, Jalartham, it came there for drinking water, Jalapanartham, Tadeva Pulinam, that very bank, Avatirnaha, it came to that very bank to drink the water. Tatascha, thereafter, Tasya Lambamano Vrusha. Tata, then Tasya Lambamano, hanging. Lambamano means hanging. Vrushanau. Now, this is adjective. What is adjective? Lambamano is adjective for Vrushanau. The testicles. Lambamano Vrushanau. Avalokya. Vrushanau Avalokya. Ayadi Sandhi.
Yeah.
Lambamano Tasya Tikshna Vishanasya Mahavrishavasya Vrushanau Lambamano Vrushanau Avalokya. Having seen that hanging loose testicles of that bull, Avalokya, Shrugalya. Look at the word here. Shrugalaha is pullinga. Shrugali, not Gali in Hindi, Shrugali.
Wow.
Shrugali is Strilinga Shabda, that female jackal. Shrugalya, by the Shrugali. Shrugalaha Abhitaha. Beautiful wording. Shrugalya, Shrugalo Abhitaha Ukta. By the female jackal, the male jackal, the husband was told, Swamin, oh my lord, Pashya, Asya, Vrushabhasya. Look at this bulls. Mamsapindau. It did not know it is an organ there. Mamsapindau. Look at the flesh balls. Srinivas, meaty balls you can say. Look at the meaty balls. Lambamano, hanging. Yatha sthitau. As they are there, hanging, these meaty balls are standing as they are. Tad etau kshanena prahareణ va patishyatah. So the female says, tad etau, these two balls of meat, kshanena, in a moment, prahareణ va, are in 3 hours. Prahara is 3 hours, Srinivas. So in moment or in 3 hours time, in some hours time, let us say.
Yeah.
Either in moment or in some hours, va patishyata, they are going to fall. They may be falling. Evam gnatva bhavata prushta anuyayina bhavyam. So the wife is asking the Shugala, evam gnatva, knowing like this, now that they are sure to fall in a moment or in hours, knowing this like this, bhavata, by you, bhavat shabda prayoga, tvaya, prushta anuyayina bhavyam. This is karmani bhave prayoga. Bhavata prushta means back. Paschat anuyayina, anuyayi means follower. Anuyayin, anuyayi, anuyayino, anuyayina, trutiya. So bhavata is trutiya, therefore anuyayina is also trutiya. Bhavata tvaya prushta etasya prushtasya anuyayina bhavyam bhavitavyam. You must be following him. Therefore, you must be following him. Can we stop here?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shivam Bhuyat.
Namaskar.